When it comes to managing your business finances and preparing for tax season, many small business owners and freelancers turn to accounting software like Wave and tax preparation software like TurboTax. The question often arises, do these two platforms seamlessly integrate? The short answer: no. Wave Financial and TurboTax do not have a direct, built-in integration that allows for automatic data transfer. TurboTax is owned by Intuit, which also produces QuickBooks, and their integrations tend to favor their own ecosystem. Wave, on the other hand, is a subsidiary of H&R Block. While there's no Connect Account button between Wave and TurboTax, you can still use the data from Wave to file your taxes with TurboTax. Here's how it generally works. Track everything in Wave. Throughout the year, diligently record all your income and expenses in Wave. This is crucial. Wave is excellent for managing invoicing, payments, and keeping your books organized. The more accurately you categorize your transactions in Wave, the easier your tax preparation will be. Generate reports in Wave. As tax season approaches, you'll need to extract your financial data from Wave. The most common reports you'll use are Income Statement, Profit and Loss Report. This report summarizes your revenue and expenses over a specific period, usually the tax year, showing your net profit or loss. Balance Sheet. This report provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. General Ledger/Transactions Report. This is a detailed list of all your financial transactions, which can be helpful for cross-referencing or if you need to provide more granular detail. Export your data. Wave allows you to export these reports in various formats, typically CSV, comma-separated values. This is a plain text file where data is separated by commas. It's like a basic spreadsheet and is highly versatile. PDF. This is a fixed layout document, good for printing or sharing a static view of your reports. Excel, XLS/XLSX. This is a standard spreadsheet format. Manual data entry into TurboTax. Since there's no direct import, you will manually input the summarized information from your Wave reports into the relevant sections of TurboTax. For example, your total income from the income statement will go into the income section. Your categorized expenses, e.g., office supplies, travel, professional fees, from the income statement will be entered into the corresponding expense categories in TurboTax, often on Schedule C for self-employed individuals. You might use the Detailed Transactions Report, CSV or Excel, if TurboTax requires more specific breakdown of certain categories, or if you need to reconcile any figures. To make this process as smooth as possible, maintain excellent categorization within Wave throughout the year. The clearer and more consistent your expense categories are in Wave, the less time you'll spend sifting through transactions and trying to figure out what goes where when it's time to enter the data into TurboTax. Consider aligning your Wave categories with common IRS tax categories as much as possible to minimize confusion during tax preparation.